In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Hyundai Kona Fuse Box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 Hyundai Kona? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Instrument panel fuse panel. The instrument panel fuse panel in the 2025 Hyundai Kona manages electrical components like the dashboard, infotainment system, and interior lights. It offers easy access for troubleshooting and protects circuits from overloading with clearly labeled fuses. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2025 Hyundai Kona provides easy access to critical fuses for essential components like the engine, lights, and HVAC system. It ensures your vehicle runs smoothly by protecting electrical circuits. Each fuse is clearly labeled for quick identification and replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.